Hey there, Ronny Hawley, Technical Experience Manager with eSource Miller, here with another installment of Quick Connect. Today I'll be covering the proper maintenance for your ventilation hood system. Vent hoods are essential to any food service operation. They help capture smoke, odors, and grease from the air to ensure a safe and working environment for your kitchen staff and customers. Some requirements, such as duct cleaning, are co-mandated, while others are discretionary. I think it's safe to say that maintenance is viewed as an expense, but in reality should be viewed as an investment to a trouble-free operation. Here are some key steps to keep your hood vent in pristine condition. 1. Remove any grease buildup from the exterior surface of the hood using a degreaser or a mixture of warm water and mild detergent. Avoid using any abrasive cleaners that can damage the hood surface. 2. Grease filters should be cleaned regularly to avoid any grease buildup and allow proper airflow. Depending on the type of filter, you can either wash them in the sink with warm soapy water or place them in the dishwasher if they are dishwasher safe. Once cleaned, allow them to air dry completely before reinstalling. 3rd, inspect your ductwork. While cleaning the hood and grease filters can be done by kitchen staff, inspecting the ductwork should be left to professionals due to the complexity of the task and most local health code regulations. In general, it's a good idea to schedule an inspection at least once every 6 to 12 months. This will identify any issues early before they become more significant and costly. This enhances its performance and reduces the risk of fire hazards, improves air quality, and promotes a safe working environment for your staff. For more information regarding hoods or any other service issues, please send an email to service@esourcemiller.com.